Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a Pinterest recipe for you guys. And I have actually already tested this recipe and that's why I know it's going to be great. I'm going to make sure to leave everything linked below if you want to see this recipe and the person who made it. And without further ado, let's just get started. So I'm going to start by dicing 4 small tomatoes because I want to make a really small amount of this. And I'm going to go ahead and transfer the tomatoes into my pot. I do, however, make this recipe much smaller than the Pinterest one, so I'll just tell you the measurements that I use. First, I'm going to go in with 2 1/4 cups of brown sugar that I have packed, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, about a teaspoon of some ground ginger, and then I'm going to go in with some nutmeg, some cinnamon, and some paprika. I'm going to use about a 1/4 teaspoon of each of these. Then I'm going to bring it over to my stove. I'm going to go ahead and give it all a thorough mix to make sure the brown sugar is dissolved with those tomatoes. The tomatoes will naturally let out a lot of their juice. You're going to then bring this up to a boil. Once it has got to that rolling boil, you're going to turn your stove down to about minimum and you're just going to let this simmer. It's going to continue to let out a lot of water from the tomatoes, but you want to keep simmering it till pretty much all of this water has evaporated and only a little bit is left. Once your tomato jam looks like this, you're just going to go ahead and remove it from the stove and you're going to transfer it into your jar. I just used a jam jar that I had left over. I cleaned it out and it worked perfect for this. And you just want to let that cool down before you put it in your refrigerator. It's going in the refrigerator for about 3 days, or you can put it in your freezer for later use. I like to serve this with some baguettes and some fresh mozzarella. And again, this recipe is great. Be sure to check out the original link below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And until next time, guys, bye!